right, today we are going to show you how to put Alexa in Super Alexa mode. Okay, so that is Super Alexa mode. We're going to show you how to do it. It's pretty complicated here, so pay attention, see what happens. Alexa, up, up, down, down, left, right, B, A, start.
Super Alexa mode activated. Starting reactors online. Enabling advanced systems online. Raising dongers. Error. Dongers missing. Aborting.
All right, so there you have it. That is Super Alexa mode. Please like this video, subscribe, watch our YouTube videos, and we will see you next time. 1hoursmarthome.com.